into the lecture hall. I have a presentation, the last one for this term, and I'm a little bit excited and worried as usual. I'm not sure if I have done 1,000 or more presentations, but each time has the best. Of the researchers, they indicate that creating and sustaining learning culture is important in many aspects. Leaders influence the school culture directly or indirectly, and there are a lot of tasks that are put upon leaders to implement.
Құрметті отандастар, сіздерді Болашақ бағдарламасының Ұлыбританиядағы студенттері тәуелсіздік күнімен құттықтай отырып, ұлық мерекеге арналған эстафетаны Болашақ бағдарламасының ақштағы стипендиаттарына және Болашақ қауымдастығының ұжымына жолдайды. Еңселі тәуелсіздігіміз құтты болсын.
Look at this. Look at this. Oi. I like the way that all the postcards, they should go with such an envelope. So you're like, oh, I got a letter. It's from Michael. Okay, it's from me. I'm not sure if I have enough postcards. I can buy some later on because there's some beautifully crafted actually. Let's keep up. Let's keep up.
Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. Christmas Eve.
The first is done. Андай фото жасауға да типа бит баяннан типа так. Күтіңдер.
Have snow and mistletoe.
Hello.
You're a gentleman, wow, man. Always very calm and calm. That's what I'm doing.
We're not the same.